What's going on, guys? CJ here. So, I am getting a lot of comments from those who are having issues with their new LSPDFR. And I've left one blog about this, and I'm talking to my people and Jeffrey Gamer as well, because I know a lot of my folks are over on Jeffrey's page, and a lot of Jeffrey's folks are on my page. So, I'm talking to both audiences here. Guys, listen. The best way to do this is to just do a fresh install of GTA 5, okay? There's just no other way around it. I'm going to explain this the best I can. You got to think about it like this. You're running a brand new version of GTA 5 that you upgraded to, but still in that file that you're running, you have older files from previous GTA 5. No telling how many versions of GTA 5 that you have in that file that you've reverted and upgraded to. So with them old files still being stuck in there, guys, it's going to cause issues with your games. The best thing you can do, guys, and a lot of us are doing it. Me, Jeffrey, there's been a handful of my subscribers that's doing this. Some of his subscribers are doing it. The best thing you can do, man, to get your game to run 100% perfect is to delete all your GTA 5 directory files and uninstall GTA 5 and reinstall it. But these questions, guys, about my game's messing up and I can't get this to work, that's why. So, that's enough with the questions, guys, because I'm telling you right now what the solution is, okay? I've already uninstalled my GTA 5. I've already reinstalled it. I've got my directories back up. I'm now installing my LSPDFR. Guys, come on, man. Listen to me. Uninstall your GTA 5 and reinstall it and do a fresh start. My tutorials are here for that. If you need them for at any point at all to install your LSPDFR back, Jeffrey's got his tutorials too. Guys, just uninstall your GTA 5 because the questions coming in are getting a little bit much. You know, my lights ain't working, my ELS ain't working, my sirens are not on, my peds are doing this, my character's doing that. That's why. Because you're running old files with a new version. It's going to mix and match, and it's like when you have two antiviruses on your computer. What do? They fight against one another, right? And it makes your computer slow down. So it's going to do the same thing with your game. If you have older files with newer files, which you do, if you have not done a fresh install of GTA 5, then they're fighting against one another, and it's slowing everything down, making certain things not work. Listen to me. Reinstall your GTA 5. Go to Steam, wherever you got it from, uninstall it, delete your GTA 5 directories, and reinstall GTA 5 and start from scratch. It's worth it. You'll have fresh files, brand new files, a clean slate, and a clean start. Trust me, guys, do it. Go reinstall GTA 5. That's the only way to fix all these little issues that are going on. So if you have an issue, come back to this vlog and listen to me say, reinstall GTA 5, okay? Because you're going to continue to have issues, and there's nothing, I'm not going to answer the questions because there's nothing I can do about it. There's nothing I can do about it. I'm going to lead you right to this vlog. And I'm telling you right now, reinstall GTA 5, guys. Come on, man. Y'all know how to do it. It's not that hard. It takes, less than a day to get your LSPDFR reinstalled. Come on, guys. And my tutorials are here. I have my tutorials here if you need them. Jeffrey's got his, man. That's what we're all here for, man, is to help you. But we can't continue to help if you're not going to take our advice on things. So, take our advice and reinstall your GTA 5, guys. I love y'all so much. I got to eat my dinner. I got some homemade lasagna waiting on me and some garlic sticks with cheese in them. They're amazing. Love y'all so much. God bless. And reinstall your GTA 5, guys. Peace out.